Hey guys, in this video we are going to learn that how to fix Oracle VM VirtualBox needs the Microsoft Visual C++ 2019 Redistributable. So before moving on, you can support me by liking my video and subscribing my channel. Let me guide. So before moving to the solution, I just want to show you the problem that when I want to install this, and I will show this type of the problem. And now to solve this problem, you have to just right click on your PC, and after this you have to just click on the properties. Basically you have to check the specification of your PC or laptop. Like the system type of my PC is 64-bit, so I just keep in mind that the Microsoft Visual C++ that we want to download is of course same to this specification. I just click to open this link to open the Microsoft Visual, and now just scroll down at this page. You will find here some links. You have to just check that which link matches to the specification of your PC. Like my specification is 64-bit, I just want to download this 64-bit. As this 64-bit Microsoft Visual matches to the system requirement, after this you have to just open the downloaded folder in your C drive or in your downloads, and then double click to open this. After this you have to just click on I agree the terms and the conditions, and then click on the install, and you can see that the setup is successful. Now just click on the close option and again double click to open this. After this your problem will be fixed. For more information you can visit my website, whose link I have shared in this video's description. Leave a like and comment for this video, and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.